Assalamu alaikum class 4. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 10th of September 2021 and the day is Friday. Fine? So who will tell me what we have discussed yesterday? हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा था? Very good. We have discussed about HCF by division method. Okay? HCF by division method. Okay? Now class, I have three numbers and I want to find HCF by division method. Like the first number is 30, 36 and the last number which is 96. So as you look class, we have three numbers. The first is 30, the second is 36 and the last is 96. By division method, you all know we will write all the numbers which are involved at a time. Now I am doing it. I will write all the numbers. Like this. Now class, in division method, we will separate all of them by writing comma in between. Fine? Now, who will tell me what number I will write which divides exactly three of them? हम क्या करते हैं? हम वही कॉमन नंबर फाइंड आउट करते हैं जिसको हम डिवाइड करें जो ऑल नंबर्स पे हो जाए. ऐसे ही है? ओके, सो हु विल टेल मी व्हाट नंबर दैट आई विल चूज टू डिवाइड ऑल द नंबर्स एग्जैक्टली व्हिच इज कॉमन इन three of them? Yes, Hanan, you tell me. Very good. I will choose two number because if you remember class, we have discussed the rule of divisibility for number 2 is if the unit place ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If the unit place ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, we will simply divide it by 2. हम क्या करेंगे उसको simple divide करेंगे 2 से. If you look, there are three numbers. The first is 30, the second is 36 and the last is 96. Now the unit place of first number is 0. The unit place of second number is 6. And the last number which is 96. And the unit place of this number is 6. Fine. Now class, all the numbers having unit place which is divisible by 2, I will simply start it from 2. Okay? मैं क्या करूँगी? मैं simple उसको 2 से start करूँगी because the rule of divisibility for number 2 has applied on it. Will applied on it. क्योंकि ये satisfy कर रहा है इसको, that's why. Now class, I will read the table of 2 to make the nearest number which divides exactly 30. So उसके लिए क्या होगा? Very good. If you look, there are two digit number in first place which is 30 and हम first number only we will take first number or first digit in that condition if the number is exactly that is जो कि वो होगा या फिर greater than less than 2. अगर यहाँ पे क्या नहीं है मेरा कहने का, अगर यहाँ पे 2 से छोटा होता या exactly 2 होता, that in condition we will only take one number, but it having two digit, so I will take, it is greater than 3, so I will take only one number. So 1 times 2, 1 यहाँ shift कर देंगे, this will become 10. Now by how many times I will multiply 2 to get 10? जी will write 5 times to get 10. Next class, if you look, we have 36. First number of the digit is 3, which is greater than 2. I will write 1 times. 1 times 2, I will shift 1 to the next, which is 16. 8 times 16. Fine class? Now, the next number, which is 96. क्या है number? 96. Now, I will read the number. I will read the table of 2 to make the nearest number, which is 9. अब 9 की मैंने nearest बनाना है तो क्या होगा? जी, who will tell me? Shumaima, you tell me. Very good. 2 4 times 8. 2 4 times 8. Okay. Now I will shift 1 to the next number, which become 2-digit number. So 2-digit is 16. Now class, as you know, 8 times 16. Fine. Now we have 3-digit in the end. 3 numbers in the end. First is 15, second is 18, and the last is 48. Now class, we want to find HCF by division method. So first of all, the first step we have kept in our mind is we want a number which is common in 3 of them. हमें वो वाला number चाहिए जो तीनों में common होगा. Then what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? We will find it. Okay? 18. If you look the second number, which is 18, it having unit place 8, which is simply divisible by 2. And if you look the third number, which is 48, it having also 8, which represents 2 divisibility by 2. But if you look the first number, which having 5 at its unit place, which is not possible. ठीक है? Now we will move to the next divisibility rule for number 3, which is number 3. अब उसके लिए हमने क्या पढ़ा था rule? We will simply check one by one the number by adding the digits. If the number after adding the digits is divisible by 3, then we will write the given number is also divisible by the number. Okay? Now 1 plus 5 is 6. So 6 is divisible by 3 class. Ji Abdul Rahman. Yes, very good. Now the second number. अब इसको भी check कर लेते हैं. 1 plus 8. हाँ जी, 1 plus 8 is Abdul Basit. Very good. 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. Yes, very good. Now we have another number, which is 48. I will simply check by adding the numbers. Okay, which is 4 plus 8. I have 12 in the end. So who will tell me is 12 is divisible by 3 or not? G. Hamza. Yes, very good. It simply means all the numbers which have written after divisibility, we simply all the numbers divided by 3. So I will take 3 times. So class, how many times I will read the table of 3 to get 15? मुझे क्या चाहिए? मुझे तो 15 चाहिए. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? I will simply read the table of 3 to make the nearest number 15. Very good. So how many times I will read the table of 3 to get 15? Very good. 3 5 times. Okay? 3 5 times. Now the next number, which is 18. Ji, who will tell me? Abdul Rahman? Very good. 3 6 times 18. Very good. Now we have the next number, which is 48. So class, is 48 is divisible by 3? Let's check here. First number of the digit is 4, which is greater than 3. So I will write 3 1 times 3. 1 is left. I will shift 1 to the next number, which will become 2 digit, which is 18. Now I will read the table again to make the nearest number, which is 18. So what would I do? Who will tell me? Yes, Hanan, you tell me. Very good. 2, 3, 6 times 18. Now class, if you look, we have all the numbers after divisibility are uncommon. कुछ भी इसमें common नहीं है, so we will leave here and we just write the multiplication of the common numbers, which is, we will write in the end HCF of 30, 36 and 96, which is 2 into 3. We have 6 in the end. Okay? 2 into 3 is, we have 6 in the end. Am I clear, class? Okay. Now class, this is all about which is related to your previous lesson. Now I am going to, so class, now I am going to move another topic which is today, which related to today lesson, which is multiples. Okay? Multiples. So who will tell me what are multiples? क्या होते हैं multiples? कोई मुझे बता सकते हैं? जी, Maha. Very good. Multiple is a number which can be divided by another number leaving no remainder in the end. Okay? Leaving no remainder in the end. So multiple is a number which can be divided by another number leaving no remainder in the end. Fine? क्या मीन है इसका? कि ऐसा ही नंबर होता है जिसको हम डिवाइड करते हैं किसी अदर नंबर से, ठीक है, और उससे हमें कोई रिमाइंडर नहीं बचता इन पे, देयर इज नो रिमाइंडर इन देम, सो वी विल सिंपली से दैट नंबर इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. Fine? Now, so class, today we will learn how to solve LCM by prime factorization. We have discussed first of all what is LCM stands for. What is LCM stands for? So L means lowest or least, C for common and M for multiple. Okay? Lowest common multiple. The number which is least common in the multiple. So class, today we will solve LCM by prime factorization. Prime factorization, I have discussed this term before. So who will tell me what is prime factorization? कौन बताएगा क्या होता है prime factorization? GNS? Very good. We have discussed class many times in our previous lessons, which is prime factorization. Prime factorization is actually finding the prime factors which we will multiply together to make its original number. हम ऐसे प्राइम नंबर्स को फाइंड आउट करते हैं जिनको हम मल्टीप्लाई करें और उससे हमें ओरिजिनल नंबर मिल जाए. Am I clear? Okay. Now class, today we will learn LCM by prime factorization. I have two numbers. First of all, 18 is a number and 12 is another number. I will do by prime factorization. So first of all, as you know, By prime factorization, we will take two numbers separately. 8 is at unit place, so we will start from 2. By how many times I will multiply to get 18? The number. Very good. 2, 9 times. Now, 9 is a multiple of 2? No. So, that's why we will shift to the next number, which is 3. So, by how many times I will multiply 3 to get 3? To get 9. Very good. 3 times 9. Next class, as you know, 3 1 times 3. Fine? So this is the prime factorization of number 18. Now we have another number which is 24. If you look, there is 4 which is at unit place. So we will simply find the number which is divisible on 24. As you remember the rule for divisibility number 2. We have discussed many times. Who will tell me? Yes, Abu Bakr? Very good. 2 12 times 24. 2 1 times 2 and 2 2 times. How we can read and write? Just look at here. Be careful class. 2 1 times 2. This is the way. Okay? 2 times 4. Now, still we have 2 which is at unit place. So, we will find the number which is a multiple of 12. कौन सा है? Very good. 2 6 times 12. Now, again we will multiply by 2. Divisible by 2 to find the multiple of 6. To multiple of 2 to get a nearest number which is 6. Very good. So 2 3 times 6. 2 3 times 6. In the end class we have 3 which is divisible by itself. Okay. Now in next step we will write the number which is 18 and 24. Now we will multiply one by one all the factors which is common in it. So for 18 we have to multiply by 3 into 3. ये number common है, so I will write here. Now for number 3 we have common numbers which is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and then 3. Fine. Now class, in HCF, as you remember, we have only circled the numbers and only multiply the numbers which are common. But if you look, we have a name which is HCF, means lowest and least common factor. So we will first of all circle or extract the factors which are common. So this is common, I will circle it. Now this is also common, I will circle it. So जो common है उनको क्या करूँगी मैं? I will write only one time. This is common, so I will write only one time. This is common, I will write only one time. Now class, if you remember in HCF, we will just only multiply the numbers which are common. But if you look, there is a term which is LCM. Okay, so in this we will multiply common with uncommon. Fine? So this is common, I will write only one time. This is common, I will write only one time. Now I will also write the numbers which are uncommon. ठीक है? जो नहीं है common उनको भी मैं लिखूंगी. I will write the number which is 3. Then I will write the number which is 2. I will write the number which is 2. Now class, 2 3 times. Very good. 6. 6 3 times 18. And I will make a pair in the end which is 2 into 2 which is 4. So class, in the end we will multiply 18 into 4. 4 8 times. Who will tell me? Yes, can solve prime factorization by using LCM. We can find LCM by using prime factorization. First of all the numbers we will solve one by one by prime factorization. Then we will circle the numbers which are common and we will write only one time which is common, and also multiply the numbers which are not common. In the end, we will all the numbers we will multiply, and through this we get 72 in the end. So class exercise number 2F, question number 4, you have to practice all the questions which is related to this topic, which is question number 4. You have to do all the parts in your notebook. Fine? Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.